I'm Jordan from Sawblade.com, and today we'll be analyzing Freud's LU91 series, available in 8.5, 10, and 12 inches. The Thin Kerf Sliding Miter Blade provides superior finished crosscuts in soft and hard woods. It has an ATV2 geometry and negative hook angle that helps prevent the blade from being aggressive. It comes in a silver ice coating for industrial users and a perma shield coating that is a non-stick coating and prevents pitch buildup. All Freud blades are equipped with an anti-vibration technology, and the high-density carbide can be sharpened up to 10 times. Freud is a leading manufacturer of industrial and specialty saw blades, and Sawblade.com carries an extensive inventory of Freud products. So log on to Sawblade.com for all your sawing needs, from bandsaw blades, circular blades, coolant, and replacement parts. Sawblade.com, simply the best in performance sawing products.